Most people get this wrong. They assume a local SIM card is always the best choice when traveling. But the surprising truth is that eSIMs offer flexibility, instant activation, and often better rates for short-term stays in the Philippines. I tried multiple eSIM providers, including Airlo, Holofly, and Nomad, to see which gives the best coverage, speed, and value. You won't believe what happens next. Some providers have excellent data plans, but limited network coverage in rural areas, while others provide nationwide coverage at a slightly higher price. Here's the breakdown. Airlo offers affordable short-term plans that are perfect for cities like Manila and Cebu. Holofly provides unlimited data options, which is great if you need heavy usage for navigation, work, or streaming. Nomad strikes a balance between price and coverage, offering flexible plans you can extend if your trip gets longer. Setting up an eSIM is simple. Scan the QR code provided by the provider, follow the activation instructions, and your phone connects to the local network without swapping physical SIM cards. This is especially useful if you want to keep your home number active while traveling. A few things to consider. Not all phones support eSIM, so check compatibility before traveling. Also, coverage can vary in remote areas, so if you plan to go off the beaten path, it's wise to have a backup option. In conclusion, the best eSIM for the Philippines depends on your priorities. For city travel and cost efficiency, Airlo is excellent. For heavy data users, Holofly is unbeatable. And if you want a flexible balance, Nomad is your go-to. With an eSIM, traveling in the Philippines becomes seamless and stress-free. Subscribe for more honest travel tech reviews to help you stay connected wherever you go.